Ciao Tesla people. I wanted to show you an undocumented change that was in the 2024.38.6 Tesla update that I installed a few days ago. As I mentioned before, when there are minor bug fixes and improvements, usually after that people start to figure out changes that are not documented. So if you go to the browser here, let me expand it full screen, and let's say you go to a site that has HTTPS, so it's a secure site. For example, let's go to Tesla. Okay, tesla.com. So and of course it asks me where to go. Okay, but if you go to this menu beside the domain, it gives you a menu with all the information, has security and cookies and all that stuff. It's like a proper browser. So for example, if I check the connection is secure, so Tesla.com uses HTTPS. So if I click on it, tap on it, the connection is secure, information, for example, password and credit cards number, so you can, and the certificate is valid, which is pretty good. So the certificate are the SSL security certificate for the HTTPS site. Also, there is a notification, so you can select if you can get notified. And also cookies and site data. So let's start that. And cookies and other data are used to remember you, for example, to sign you in personalized ads. To manage cookies for sites, there are settings, and then you can manage on device site that on device data, and there are 8 sites I have. Let's see this guy settings. Okay, there are no the site can be reached. Oh, Chrome settings, cookies. Okay, whatever. So this is the new menu that was included in the browser. And this is included in the Tesla update 2024.38.6. Was an undocumented change. People figure out this by playing around with all these features and application inside the Tesla. So let me know if you have any other changes that you found. Yeah, it was pretty good. Anyway, please use my referral, Tesla referral, so you can get up to $500 or euros discount on your Tesla purchase. Also, here in Italy, if you buy I think it's in Europe too, but if you buy a Model Y, by the end of this year, you get 1 year of free supercharging, which is pretty good. If you do a lot of kilometers, that's a pretty good amount. Also, here in Italy, on Model 3, the interest rate is now at 4% if you buy a Model 3 by the end of the year. So check them out. Use my referral for another €500 or dollar discount. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.